Ka Bosco College Mendihati East Jaitia Hills, kalapan long ya kalempong 8th graduation day haka khatlai tarik nailar. Naga benta prapo ar ngut ki Samla pule ki bala pendep ki kerdan pule bapher jong usnam ar hajar arpu ar hadu arpusan nakani ka college. Kakong Jacqueline U. Kharpuri, MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner, East Jaitia Hills District, kalalong kakongsan, bat kalayalam ya ka procession basyongkun. Kat baka kong streamlet dekar, head khasi department NEHU, kala ai ke jingkran bajiliu kabaya habdur bat kani ke graduation day. Baro kawi ke kampus kala dap da kajingkemen bat kala Phuh la Phieng da ki rong ba internet. Kinong hikai, kinong trei, ki kimi ki kepa bat ki Samla pule, kila penthaba ya ka college baro kawi, la kum ka keper sentiu, da ki riam ki bed ki babun rong hakani kesni. Kino penya ya kani ka college ki bakan thop ya Reverend Padar Daniel DM Kaji Principal, Padar Jivan K Lakra Vice Principal, Ba Shnganang Marwan Research Officer ka Khuborjylla, kino hikai bat kinong trei kila sakhi da ka jingkemen namar ka de kasngi bagi pen khamti ya ki jingnang jingtip hakikti jeng ki Samla ki ban beteng ya ka lawi ba pranai jo ka jait penriu ka district ka jilla bat hakari India barok away. Hakani kalumpong lapan Khuborjylla miki Samla ki balawan syakmat haki subjek daki khusnam bala pensanam haki kerteng jong Reverend Padar H Elias kiang nang ba Joseph Fantin Henry Fantin Silvanus ngi bat ha usoso tham ka Samla kalung angel ka balawan baar haka kerdan bahe do haka result kala puli ya ka thong pledge jong ka college bat usamla lambun miki pasi ubala yo ka kerdan bahnyo ha university ula ay ka jingkran kan pha miki para Samla ya ka jingkran penwa ya ka lumpung graduation day la ai da ka kong agatha si walang assistant professor ka balapan kan mau banlong ki basngaurit ki minot bat ki badan ka jing posnew ya ka lawe ba kordor.
Marshal of the college, Jaitia as mayor. Assistant Marshal, Boniface Cardejo, followed by our graduating students in head of the department. Our special guest of the day, Mr. Shillong, Director of Commerce, Father Jivan, Vice Provincial, Phieng Bosco, keynote speaker, Madam President, followed by the chief guest of the day, Madam Deputy
so, the mustard leaf. And that time, how much we used to sell? 50 paise per bunch. And we used to make about 100 bunch or so to go and sell off to Yodo. And I will earn out of those bunch of mustard sleeve. I will sell it about 20 rupees. Okay? Then return home to prepare for college. Every evening I used to take tuition to small children and earn for 300 rupees per month. Sometimes I felt I should quit my studies, but I realized that education is so important to get a job, and without having good education, it's not very easy to get a job since those days. So I have decided that I will not drop my studies whatsoever. I was now a well-known student of my college those days, and when I was graduated like you at your age. And I continued my further studies till I earned my MA and PhD degree, and I am now a professor, an eminent casual writer, and because I never gave up so far. And I want to give you a word of inspiration, a word that will make you ponder about yourself, think about yourself, because some of you may face similar challenges, but I am sure challenges in your life shaped your journey. I am sure that each one of you, after you leave this college, you will have a new beginning. As a student, just give thanks to the God with gratitude as you have completed your studies from this college. And this is a moment of joy as a foundation for a future success now begins. So remember that your graduation day just ends from this college. You still have lessons for the journey ahead. It's not the end of everything now. Now you're ready to begin your journey. You have to keep learning. Graduation is not the end of education. It's a beginning of lifelong learning. And know your strength, that you can move forward so that your talents and potentials are used. Remember, education is not just about a degree. It's about discovering who you are. You should discover who you are. We're growing up in a world of great challenge. That is changing faster. And you will understand that when we are talking about changes in this modern world, the changes are coming throughout your life, and it will be driven to you by the modern technology. It will be driven you by interconnectedness, by ideas, by challenge, by complex. And when we are talking about the complexity of this modern world, you will not realize that how fast it will change your life.
Partner Khubor, Amit Jumaria, Grace Imta, High